बिल्कुल भी बोस के लेवल के नहीं होते। हम लोग ने कई गाड़ियों से बोस के निकाल के हमने अपग्रेड किए बिकॉज हर क्लाइंट के पर्सनल टेस्ट।
This is a clean, simple configuration of Alpine car audio, complete active setup for the Hyundai Creta. Here you are seeing the DSP 0850 by Alpine. It has a 12 channel out of which 8 channels are powered amplified. The DSP basically helps us to tune each and every individual channel, maybe a tweeter or a mid-bass driver, separately with a separate equalization, separate time alignment, crossover networks. The speakers that we are using are the DP series by Alpine, which are specifically a sound quality speaker. If you see the cone is a proper carbon fiber cone and a beautiful finish of a product. The Creta has a center channel speaker, so we are replacing the center channel BOSE speaker with Alpine. The Alpine amplification, this is Amplifier by Alpine.
How do you find, customer out of all this?
Yes. Now what happens, now Kia has come out with Bose and even Hyundai has come out with Bose.
Yeah.
So customer has a psychology that I have Bose in my car. But believe me, when that customer he sits in the car and feels that Bose music, तो बिल्कुल भी Bose के लेवल के नहीं होते। हम लोग ने कई गाड़ियों से Bose के निकाल के हमने अपग्रेड किए बिकॉज हर क्लाइंट के पर्सनल टेस्ट होता है।
These are the stock speakers given by the Hyundai. You can see these are the Bose speakers. Look at the finish, the quality, the product. Even the center channel speaker by Bose. So we're replacing all these drivers, all the speakers, and replacing them with Alpine DP series. The DP series, which comes with a carbon fiber cone, gives a very clean tonal quality output. The sound output is very good. The installation is in the process. Sound damping is also equally very important when you're doing audio setup in a car. Make sure all the doors are completely sound damped. Look at the door which we are knocking, which is not yet damped, compared to the door which is completely damped, inside out. When you try this, you see the difference of the sheet metal sound. This improves the sound quality inside the cabin. This is a very simple test. We use degreasers so that we degrease the entire panel. This is a motor glaze degreaser, which helps in a better addition of damping. If you can see, the damping is kind of a skin on the surface of the sheet metal. It should be stuck like a skin with no air bubbles. The active setups take some time, so it took us several hours in that particular day to complete the setup. These are the late evening scenes, late night scenes where we are installing and almost on the verge of completion. Some customized tuning in process with the client and setting up on different genres.
सजना असी टाइम चकदे आ टाटा सजना काई रेंज विचों रहना बैली तारदा थानू चेहरा ਤੇਰਾ ਦਿਸਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਾਡਾ ਸੱਜਣਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਸਾਖ ਛੱਡ ਆਈ 40 ਗੋਰੀ ਜੱਟੀ ਘੁੰਮੇ ਬੈਂਟਲੀ ਚ ਕਾਲੀ ਪਰਾਡਾ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਲਾ ਕੇ